pressure stable at 50 psi.
Rafale 77, taxi clearance confirmed. Hold short of the main runway.
Data streams are stable across the board.
Ensure the altitude readings are strictly monitored during the ascent phase.
Rafale 83 is down, normal braking engaged.
Inside this hangar lies the future of Indian air superiority. Join us as we explore the $9 billion Rafale program.
We've routed the avionics cooling lines through this section of the frame.
That might compromise the integrity of the wing spar connection. Let's review the stress report.
Maintaining precise humidity is critical for these materials. We keep it at a constant 60% to ensure the integrity of the carbon fiber.
Hull 47 Alpha aligned.
Torque sequence initiated and complete.
Easy now, slow down. Watch the starboard side clearance.
Clear on this end. Keep coming down.
Okay, lower bearing is aligned.
Confirmed. Proceed slowly to full seating.
All parameters are within specification.
Excellent work. Log the sequence.
The composite is cured. Verify against the Indian specifications.
Checked. All parameters match.
Alignment is showing green. We are within tolerance.
Confirmed. Applying final torque now.
Alignment is critical. The technicians must guide the pins into place with millimeter precision on this $9 billion program. clear on the main bus. No leakage detected.
Confirmed. The shielding is effective.
Harness secured on the left.
Confirmed. Crane, take the tension slowly.
Clear lift.
Torque is good. Check the isolators.
Logging the readings now. Looks solid.
Okay, bring it forward easy. Watch the clearance on the left.
Clear on the left, keep coming down slowly.
And stop, we are secure.
The laser path looks stable.
Confirmed. The deviation is within tolerance according to the schematic.
Check the tolerances on the main harness connector here.
Verified against the 3D schematic, it matches the revision.
Good. Sign off on section 7.
Ensure all parameters meet the RBE2 standard.
This integration is crucial for the Indian-specific enhancements.
All right, steady on the lift. Make sure the splines engage.
Engaged. Hand me the torque wrench.
The Rafale program represents a significant leap in technology. As the airframe emerges, the sheer
Clearance confirmed on the starboard engine bay.
Roger that. All parameters are green.
Monitor the MFD synchronization during the boot sequence.
Confirmed, sir. All parameters are in the green.
The deflection on the canard is within the expected parameters.
Yes, the actuator response is stable across the cycle.
Data streams are stable across the board.
Confirmed. Diagnostics complete. Systems nominal.
Pressure is holding steady at 500 psi.
Good. No signs of leakage on the main line.
Check the sensor covers on the port side.
They are secured. Finalizing the main intake now.
Engine intake looks good. Check the exhaust temperature sensors.
Reading nominal. Final clearance confirmed.
Final systems check. Internal power engaged.
Confirmed. We are ready for engine start sequence.
Flaps fully extended and symmetric.
Reading confirmed. Canards cycling up now.
Pressure holding steady at 9,000 psi.
No visible leaks on the manifold. Readings match the digital output.
Ignition sequence complete.
Idle parameters are stable. We have a good run.
Easy now, easy. Bring her down low. Bring her down slow. Hold it right there.
Fuel pressure stable at 50 psi.
Roger that. Maintain current flow rate.
Rafale 77, taxi clearance confirmed. Hold short order the main runway.
Ensure the altitude readings are strictly monitored during the ascent phase.
Confirmed. The wind shear predictions at waypoint 3 require a slight adjustment to the approach vector.
Rafale 83 is down, normal braking engaged.
Roger that. Taxi straight ahead, follow the director.
The pressure spike occurred right after the maneuver at 20,000 feet.
The telemetry confirms a brief hydraulic fluctuation, but the system compensated immediately.
$100 million fighter jet is born?